Welcome to Sasaram, Bihar, where history echoes every stone. As we step closer, we are greeted by the majestic view of Sher Shah Suri tomb, standing tall amidst the calm water like a fortress floating in time. This grand structure is beautifully surrounded by a serene lake from all four sides, a symbol of symmetry, peace, and royal architecture. Crossing the stone bridge feels like walking back in time. Each step brings us closer to the resting place of the emperor who once ruled all of North India. As we approach, the tomb reveals itself like a palace from the past, massive, royal, and truly magnificent. Climbing the stairs, we move toward the heart of this historic marvel. The atmosphere becomes more silent, more spiritual. From here, you can see the still water surrounding the tomb, a picture perfect reflection of Mughal era brilliance. On all four corners of the monument, small domes decorate the eaves, adding grace to the strong central dome above. As we enter the inner chamber, the sound of visitor echoes like a chant, creating a magical, resounding experience. As we step inside the tomb, a wave of sound fills the air. Visitors shout joyful and their voices bounce off the ancient stone walls, creating a deep echoing chorus. It's a moment that gives you goosebumps, as if the tomb itself is alive, responding to every voice, every clap, every breath inside. Look around, every wall is made from polished stone carved with delicate designs that speak of timeless craftsmanship. At the center lies the tomb of Sher Shah Suri, simple yet filled with deep respect and history. And then claps, the sound echoes all sounds, filling the air with a sense of wonderful and joy. Above us, the main dome rises high from the inside. It feels like you standing under the sky, a masterpiece of architecture and architecture. Here, young girls offer silent prayers, a peaceful moment in the midst of this grand architecture. Stepping back outside, we take one last look at the surrounding lake, peaceful and beautiful, just like centuries ago. As we descend the stairs and say goodbye to this historical wonder, one thing is clear: Sher Shah Suri legacy still lives on, carved in stone, floating on water.